Yes, that's right. I am starting a new project. In this video, I'm going to tell you what it is. Let's jump right in and I'll tell you all about it. What I'm working on is a tool collection. Yes, tool collection. I know you were probably expecting that. This one is going to be for mass operations in relativity. So you know that drop down in the bottom left next to your document list where you can select your documents and go to the bottom left corner, click mass operation and perform certain tasks. That's where I want to put more tools. It feels like a good convenient place because you already have your documents selected, so you can just click on a tool and do what you need done. Now, I'm not going to make a separate mass operation for each tool I create, but what I want to do is make a custom page that you launch from mass operation window, and there you'll select the tool that you want to run and configure your parameters, click run, and it'll do what it needs to do. That's my idea so far. So let me show you what I got and then we'll talk more about it. Okay, I have my favorite Enron case here and I have lots of documents. I'm going to click and select all documents on the screen, and I'm going to go to the bottom right and I'm going to select AdminPro. That's right, the name of the tool is AdminPro. So we're going to click on that and the window's going to launch. Here you greet it with a welcome screen, of course. We got our usual legal disclaimers and things like that. Be sure to read those. And on top we have a menu called Tools. This is where we're going to build different tools that you can launch from here. And so far, to get going, I have just one tool built that I'm ready to share with you. So I'll go to Tools and it says Document Summary. So I'm going to click there, and now we have different options we can select for this specific tool. So what is Document Summary? Let's say you're finished loading some data, outside production, processing, anything else, and you need to create like a summary report of what's actually been loaded. There is a way to do it, of course, in relativity. Go to tally sum average, grab your numbers, filter for has image, yes, no, extract the text to set and all that, and put all the numbers together. The idea here is this will just do it in one click. So here we have a list of different items we can choose. Do we want to see image count, production image count, and so on. I'm going to click run, and now this is a nice table. We can just cut and paste into email, send it off to a client or a project manager, and it says done, data's loaded. Well, back to the tool collection overall. The idea is I'm going to add more tools. I'm going to add them to the list, and this is kind of how they're going to work. You'll select the tool, you select options, and you run it. Well, why do I have only one tool in there? Well, because I'm going to build one tool at a time, and I'm going to release this collection as I add tools, and I'm going to do them one at a time, and I'm going to look for your feedback as to how these tools work. Do they perform okay? Do they visually look good? And so on. And as you giving me feedback, I'll be modifying these tools and I'll be adding more over time. And I'm looking for your feedback, which tools to add to the collection. And of course, question on everyone's mind, okay, how much is this going to cost? I'm telling you right now, this tool collection will be free. Yes, I'm gonna give this away for free to everyone. You can go to my website, download it, test it, give me feedback, tell me how it works for you, make suggestions for modifying existing tools or adding new tools, and if they are sensible, I'll make those changes, upload a new version, you can download and test it again. Okay, I have a few more things to go over, but I'm gonna need some notes for this. First things first, this is going to be released as beta. And I'm sure you know what beta means. Beta means untested software or partially tested. So I will start uploading this AdminPro to my website, and we'll consider it the beta tools until I have maybe 3, 4, 5 tools. Once I do, I'll package them up again, do more thorough testing, and that will be listed as a final version on the website. So that's the one you can download and have a good amount of confidence that it'll work fine. When you download beta software, of course you're testing it. You're testing it together with me. And it's preferred that you use beta software in a test environment, or at least in a test workspace where you're not going to break things. Speaking of breaking things, these tools should be treated the same way as SQL scripts are, or relativity SQL scripts are. They have access to every part of a database. If you pick a wrong field, you will override it. So the AdminPro is going to be the same way. You have to be careful how to use it and make sure you don't choose a wrong field to update, which will be in the upcoming tools, to make sure you don't wipe out a field. Another idea I had for suggestion of tools is if you come up with a good idea for a tool and send me that idea and I did not have it on the list and I think it's great and I build it into the toolkit, I will credit your name right inside the application that you had submitted that idea. And of course you should subscribe to this channel, not just because everyone on YouTube asks you to subscribe, but because as I release new tools, I will publish videos about them, and this way you'll get notified when they're released. At this time, I don't have a schedule when I'm going to be releasing tools or videos, so subscribing is really the only way you can get notified when something new is released. So with that in mind, thank you for watching. Send me your ideas, email me, comment in the video below, get your message to me, and I'll do my best to make this tool collection useful to everyone. And don't forget to go to my website, #legal.com, to download this version and see how it works.